We're going to start with Dorney Park first. I just wanted to mention, I only brought these up because if you're going to make fun of me, this is the payment I'll accept. It's either chocolate or butt patches, apparently. So, take your shots, and I'll accept gifts afterward. All right. Do I have the clicker? Oh, here it is. Look at this. Forgot about that. It's important. All right, look, listen. I made this because I'm really passionate about video and cinematography. Also, once I put it in there, a good friend of mine said, dude, that doesn't make any sense with what you're doing. So my presentation doesn't officially start until I play this clip. But this is kind of like fan service, just for me.
Dedicated to truth, justice, and peace for all mankind. The world's greatest super friend.
That's why I have the Talon 25th anniversary. This is the first of its kind shirt. You can't take it off my body unless you kill me. But there will be more at the park this year. So Bob Kane, who does our merchandise, said, hey, can you wear it? I said, dude, absolutely. But then it was a t-shirt. And I'm like, oh. A t-shirt on stage. All right, presentation started.
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Justice.
Right, Dorney Park. That doesn't make any sense. I know, I made it, and then I thought I actually do have a Hall of Justice, so this makes no sense, but it was too late. I couldn't go back and change it because I got like 68 slides. Sorry about it. Whoa! Your favorite coaster, credit, and mine is due for an upgrade, and we are making that happen at Dorney Park in Wildwater Kingdom. So cars have been stripped, and they are going to get repainted. So I wish I had a laser pointer. But if you see the one that looks like it's completed, that is current. The gray with the primer coat is something that is happening right now. And since I'm not a painter, and I don't profess to be an expert on painting, because if you see my house, boy, blue tape is quite an adventure. I interviewed Cody, who was in our paint department, about the process and the project. So Cody can tell you instead.
All right, Cody. Paint
Post-game interview.
Yep. Woodstock Express. What are we doing?
Good. So right now we're in the sanding process. So when the ride will come in, we'll go through everything, hit it with 80 just to get a lot of the nicks and stuff off from the seatbelt flap.
That's 80 grit.
And we'll go through and hit it
You
again
know
with
that.
120 grit, get it all nice and smooth, fill in all these cracks in here, whatever other nicks and dings we have at the bottom of. Then it goes up the stairs to Brian, and he'll just spray it all with primer, and then make it super nice with red. And this will be getting
Brian is
nice
another
black
painter,
and
not me.
here, so. And it's exciting because we have 6 cars, so I'm excited to see how they turn out.
Talk about how long the process takes. So you got 6 cars, right?
You guys can tell I used to be a
Roughly,
reporter.
It's just me doing it. This car will probably take roughly 2 days, probably 2 days by the car. But if Brian and I are both doing it, we probably pound out like 4 cars a week. So yeah, it's a process, but the end product is worth it. I think it's really cool seeing the process, how you get something that hasn't been touched in like 15, 20 plus years, and then when you're the one responsible for making it look nice and almost when it was brand new, 20 years ago, I always think that's really cool to see. And then when you come to the park with your family or your wife and you say, hey, I did that, and you hear a lot of people compliment on it, it feels good. It's a good compliment.
What's it going to look like when it's done?
So it's going to be the same color. This will be the gray on top here. This will be in red. We're going to do the floors and the walls here in black. And then our amazing graphic service department is going to be making new vinyl graphics to go along this. So it'll essentially be a whole brand new car.
What kind of paint are you using?
So the paint we'll be using for this is an Imran base paint. So it's basically a mixture that is 3-in-1. So it'll be activator, the paint itself, and then depending on if the process has to get sped up, it'll be accelerator to speed the process up and everything like that. But normally we give it about 24-hour cure time. So once it's done and primed, upstairs, Brian, we have 3 of them primed. The red is just done, so we'll probably wait till tomorrow to do everything else. But Brian right now is starting the taping process on the top to where we can just spray the gray and it doesn't get on any of the red.
There you go. I tried to ask him as many questions as I could, because if anybody asked me questions at the end about paint, your boy was cooked. So that's not going to happen. I reversed this clip because I have things that I have to keep under seal that I can't tell you about. But there are some other things happening in Dorney Park and Wildwater Kingdom, and hopefully we can tell you about those very soon. I won't say the 2 words. I'll leave that with the Hershey team here.
What's the situation? It may not seem like much, but it started with an incredible dream I had last night.
No more strange, I'm sure, than the one I had. I dreamt I robbed Fort Knox.
I did not dream that, Superman. But I dreamed something better. I dreamed of a celebration of my favorite roller coaster of all time, Talon. So Talon turns 25 this year. Not only is it my favorite B&M invert, I don't know if I can say it's my favorite B&M without Iron Menace getting upset, but since we're far away, it's my favorite B&M. And we have a couple different things that we're working on. So we're actually going to form a committee at Dorney Park. And the reason we're doing the ACE event on the 13th is because we want you guys to be a part of that celebration. So exactly what it looks like, I'm not 100% sure. We're still working through details, but I do know that we are going to get you guys some behind-the-scenes tours. We're going to get you ERT, and we're looking at some swag for that day too. So I'm really excited to celebrate Talon with all of you. Bob wanted me to mention, because Bob's my merchandise guy, that there will be specialized Talon merch for the year. Here's a selection of some things that he already has that he knows are coming in. He was a little leery. Then I have the shirt here. Got a beautiful hoodie up here too. Hold on, let's see if we can. I'll let that blue shirt drop. That's kind of a reprint of the original. So we'll have these hoodies on sale as well for all you merch fans. Lots of good stuff for my favorite roller coaster.
So that's what they've been up to.
Yes, Batman. That's what we've been up to. Celebrating Talon this year.